Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So our video for today is a tutorial type video. Since malapit na ang summer and mukhang mag-iis na naman sa travel restrictions ang Pilipinas, I believe madami na naman sa atin ang magpa-plan ng summer vacation. So my video for today guys is how to book Cebu Pacific round trip tickets using the Cebu Pacific mobile app. And to be specific, since marami ang may cellphone pero walang debit or credit card, ang paraan ng payment na i-feature ko is through payment centers like 7-Eleven, SM Dep Store, and more. Okay guys, so let's start na. So punta tayo sa Cebu Pacific mobile app. So kita nyo naman ang dami kong travel essential apps. So if you want more tutorials featuring these apps, leave a comment below so that I know kung ano yung pwede kong gawin pang tutorials. So, yan, since summer, parang trip ko mag Boracay. So, let's type Boracay. So, yan. So, since round trip ticket in summer, so feel ko mag 1 week vacation. So, let's pick a date. So parang gusto ko ng May 12 to 17. So 1 week na yon. So I think kaya ko ng magsaya niyan. So 1 adult lang para madali. So pero if gusto nyo 2 or ilang kayo, so pwede nyo mapalitan. So after nyo i-select ang dates, mag-a-appear na lahat ng available flights. So para sa akin, I like to maximize the time of my stay sa location. So I tend to pick earlier flights sa flight going to the location and an afternoon or evening flight para sa flight pabalik ng Manila. Pero it still depends on you guys kasi kayo naman na magbabayad and kayo naman na mag-e-enjoy, so it depends on you. So yan, now is the time to pick your desired time of flight. And then after that, yan may mag-a-appear na option, mga bundles to. So first option is Go Basic. Basically ang babayaran mo lang if yan ang pipiliin mo is yung mismong flight lang. Then the next option is Go Easy, which has 1 hand carry baggage, 1 check-in baggage, and a standard seat. Note po na guys, sa first option meron din siyang free hand carry baggage. And finally, the last option will also include Cebu Flexi. So, Cebu Flexi actually is a great feature ng Cebu Pacific ngayon, but I will talk about that later in this video. So, pinili ko lang yung first option, which is Go Basic. Then, after that, lalabas yung price nung napili mong option, yung total price. So, yan. Then, continue. Then, yan. This is the time na mag-fill up ka ng iyong flight details. So, your first name, type your first name, then your last name, type lang, then your birthday. So hindi ko po totoong birthday yan. Baka lang kasi may kumuha ng aking mga personal data, so for security reasons. Then your nationality, then contact information. If same lang nung passenger, just use guest details. Then type your mobile number, then your email address. So hindi ko din po talaga yan contact details, hinulaan ko lang, pero I think it's non-existent naman, so wala mapapahamak. Then click continue. Yun, dito naman lalabas lahat ng add-ons na pwede mong bilhin. So, in my experience, automatic na nasa-select yung travel insurance. So, share ko lang experience ko guys. Nung the very first time ko mag-book, nagtaka pa ako kasi yung nabayaran ko is mas mataas dun sa na-compute kong dapat babayaran ko. So, ang kinompute ko lang nun is yung flight ticket. So hindi ko alam na may nabayaran pala akong travel insurance. Pero guys, ang kagandahan niya is if ever may mishaps or inconvenience or accident na mangyari, so meron tayong protection with coverage sa cost. However, if you feel like you don't need it naman for some reason, you have the option to remove it. So for me naman, since I'm traveling hand carry, which means hindi possible na mawalan ako ng bagahe, and that meron naman akong existing life insurance, I opted not to include the Cebu travel sure sa babayaran ko. So just click remove, then let's select more add-ons. So another add-on guys is the seat selector. So you have option naman, or if ever na maselan ka sa upuan mo, like gusto mong nasa window seat ka or malapit ka sa exit, so you have the option na mag-advance ng book para sa iyong seat. However, meron tong bayad guys. So if hindi ka naman maselan like me, so I tend not to include seat selector sa aking bayad para naman din makatipid tayo guys. Let's just select more add-ons. So dito naman tayo sa baggage. So click baggage, then yan, ito yung option nyo guys. So lahat ng flight may free hand carry ka, and the others naman, if gusto mo ng bagahe, may 20 kilograms, may 32 kilograms, and may 40 kilograms. So lahat yan may designated price na madadagdagan. And if meron ka surfboards or sports equipment, so another dagdag gastos din yan guys. So if wala ka naman bagahe like me, let's just proceed sa other add-ons. So ito pa, another add-on guys is save meals. So I think hindi siya necessary para sa ating flight dahil 1 hour flight naman to eh. So ang ginagawa ko, I eat before the flight. Kasi sayang din guys, if bibili ka pa ng pagkain, mahal yan, di ba? So if you're traveling with a tight budget, so I think it's best na you don't pick that many add-ons kung hindi mo naman talaga kailangan. So ang last add-ons naman guys is yung Cebu Flexi. So kanina sabi ko, napakalaking tulong din nitong feature na to. Since pandemic ngayon guys, possibility na palaging may naka-cancel na flights or may nare-rebook na flights. Pero syempre 'di ba, ini-schedule naman kasi natin yung travel dates natin. So parang if ever na i-rebook natin, it takes time para malaman kung ano yung sunod na dates. Yan naman sa atin may work and hindi ganun kadali mag-leave sa work. So Cebu Flexi is here if just in case na yung original flight dates mo is ma-cancel or ma-rebook. If ever na feel mo kasi pandemic, may concern ka sa health mo, or if ever na wag naman sana mangyari, pero if magka-COVID ka or some serious illness, you have the chance para i-cancel yung flight mo at maibalik sa'yo yung pera na naigastos mo. But I think it's in the form of travel fund. So pwede mo pa rin siyang gamitin for your future flights in case na gusto mong ipagpatuloy yung plan mong mag-travel pero on a later date. At saka kasi guys, if ever na mag-rebook ka tapos wala kang Cebu Flexi, ang laki pa rin nung magiging rebooking fee mo. Tapos i-compare mo yun sa pag may Cebu Flexi ka, if you want to rebook, no charge po yun. So parang libre na yung pagre-rebook mo. So para sa akin, if alam mo sa sarili mo na sure ka na kahit anong mangyari, go ka sa original na plan mo, pwede ka nang hindi mag-avail ng Cebu Flexi. Pero if concern ka na baka laging may makancel or baka may time na magparebook ka and sure ka na feel mo ganun na mangyayari, so I think you should avail Cebu Flexi para hindi pa lumaki yung gastos mo when it comes to rebooking na. So discretion nyo na guys if pabor kayo sa Cebu Flexi or not. So just choose your decision. So let's now click proceed to payment. Then mag-appear yung booking summary. So we have a total of 3,341.88. So guys, if namamahalan kayo, so meron naman mga piso fares. So abang-abang lang kayo. And kung if you want the tips then kung paano maka-avail sa piso fares, just comment down below para alam ko kung gagawin ko ba siya ng tutorial. So let's click the checkbox, yung by clicking continue, I confirm that I have read, understood, and accept the conditions of carriage. Then let's click continue, then proceed to payment guys. Then loading na. So ayun na guys, nandito na tayo sa payment section. And ang daming options na pagpipilian. So if may Cebu Pacific travel fund ka, pwede mo magamit itong first option. If may credit card or debit card ka, you can use the second option. Just put your card details and then proceed payment. You can also use e-wallet services like PayPal, GrabPay, PayMaya, and GCash. Pero the focus of my today's tutorial is about the use of payment centers. So let's go sa section na nakalagay ang payment centers. So you can choose between 7-Eleven, EasyPay, Robinson Bank, Robinson's Department Store, or SM Payment Center. So yan guys, naka-indicate yung rules if payment centers ang gagamitin nyo. So sabi, pay within 8 hours from time of booking. So if lumipas na or lumagpas na sa 8 hours yung booking nyo, forfeited na siya. And sa mga kababayan natin sa ibang bansa, meron din palang payment centers on select territories. So after that, let's click the checkbox, yung may I fully understand that etc. etc. Then click submit. So yan guys, may lalabas na 12-digit booking reference and dapat tandaan nyo siya. For me, I tend to do a screenshot and then use the reference number pag nandun na ako sa payment center of my choice. Once na nabayadan nyo na guys, for a while may magsasend na sa inyo ng confirm booking itinerary at official receipt sa inyong email. And there you have it guys. I hope na natuto kayo for today's tutorial. And please leave a comment if may gusto pa kayong ipa-tutorial na travel essential apps. So don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga latest videos. See you next time guys. Goodbye!